Look at the physical footprint of the artificial intelligence boom. These massive, windowless data center complexes are sprouting up across the globe, consuming staggering amounts of electricity and water to process the algorithms that run modern tech. For years, the conventional wisdom in the tech sector has been absolute. To build a world-class AI model, a company must rent billions of dollars in cloud computing space from Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. But as demand for artificial intelligence explodes exponentially, forcing all that data processing through just 3 primary corporate suppliers creates a severe constraint. This dynamic concentrates incredible power and wealth into a tiny fraction of the market, leaving AI developers highly vulnerable to price hikes and server shortages. Investors actively scan the US stock market for any crack in this centralized power dynamic. Recently, a major anomaly appeared in the digital footprint of financial news, a $1.8 billion AI cloud deal signed completely outside the Big Three ecosystem. The counterparty bypassing the usual tech giants to secure this contract is Akamai. Committing $1.8 billion to a single infrastructure provider represents a massive reallocation of capital for an AI developer. Curious, why would Anthropic, one of the world's most advanced AI labs, bypass the traditional cloud monopolies? And what does this specific contract signal for the rest of the market? Anthropic builds highly complex, incredibly resource-intensive AI models that require continuous, immense processing capabilities just to function on a daily basis. When an AI company signs a cloud deal, they purchase thousands of specialized GPUs, massive server racks, and the incredible network bandwidth needed to train these sprawling models. This is where Akamai offers a distinct structural advantage. They operate an edge network, a system built to distribute power across a wide geography rather than hoard it. The traditional Big Three centralized architecture forces all AI processing through a few massive, geographically isolated hubs. Akamai's decentralized approach pushes the actual compute power and data delivery directly to the geographical edges, placing the processing physically closer to the end users. Akamai offers a completely different network architecture that physically alters how artificial intelligence is routed and processed. There is a severe conflict of interest in the modern tech landscape. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are all actively building their own proprietary AI models to compete with the developers they host. For a company like Anthropic, relying entirely on a direct competitor to provide the infrastructure needed to outcompete them presents an existential risk. In this deal, Akamai serves as the neutral infrastructure partner. Their entire business model focuses purely on data delivery, entirely sidestepping the fiercely competitive race to build a rival consumer chatbot. For Akamai, securing a $1.8 billion contract provides definitive market validation. It proves their legacy edge network can handle the extreme, cutting-edge demands of the modern AI era. Anthropic is securing strategic independence from the tech monopolies, cleanly separating their processing needs from their direct competitors. Investors track these critical infrastructure shifts closely, indexing the entire tech sector's reaction. This specific contract proves that the massive financial windfall of the AI boom is finally widening past the original model creators and the Big Three providers. We are watching billions of dollars divert away from expected centralized monopolies and route directly into specialized alternative infrastructure providers. This capital redirection establishes entirely new investment opportunities, creating a secondary, vital sector within the broader AI supply chain. As AI models continue to scale up, developers will increasingly seek out diverse, specialized partnerships to handle their processing needs. To accurately predict future market shifts, investors must track where these companies are directing their infrastructure spending, rather than waiting for the next software release. The Anthropic and Akamai agreement lays out the blueprint for a highly specialized, decentralized future in the AI